scientific name of a chicken is Gallus gallus domesticus. The chicken is one of the most common and widespread domestic animals, with a population of more than 19 billion in 2011. There are more chickens in the world than any other species of bird or domestic animal.
Preview.
Humans keep chickens primarily as a source of food, consuming both their meat and their eggs.
The tail wagging or some kind of mating behavior. This is especially true for some duck species wherein the males do the tail wagging when in the water. In mallard ducks, for example, the male are known to do neck shaking and tail wagging while trying to get close to a female duck. Aside from wagging their tails, male mallard ducks are also known to raise the tips of their wings during the so-called courtship dance. Food and water is a source of energy and pleasure for many ducks, and tail wagging may simply mean that they are happy with their meal. For ducks that just came out of the water, for example, tail wagging is literally needed to shake off the water in their feathers. Wagging helps them dry off faster and allow them to do other activities. For some people, the tail wagging in ducks is simply an effect of nature, since ducks literally walk with their tails moving from side to side. This natural movement makes it seem that ducks wag their tails often.
Preview.
The goats eating together in the field exhibits the butting behavior, a behavior that is shown during a competition, commonly during eating. In the video, goats are clumped in one area because of the abundance of food. The horned goats butt the dehorned goats. Goats butt to pull the other out of their way, to establish their place in the herd, as a form of play or to fight, often during rut. Butting is one reason that keeping horned and dehorned goats together is unwise. The dehorned goats are at a distinct disadvantage and can be seriously injured. The most common reason for butting is to establish a place as high as possible in the herd. When you introduce a new goat to the herd, the lower status goats are usually the first to fight. They want to maintain or raise their position in the herd.
Preview. 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 Preview.
Water buffalo are called carabao in the Philippines, and as regarded as the national animal, water buffalo are larger and more powerful than cattle or oxen. According to National Geographic, the water buffalo or Asian buffalo, as it is often called, is the largest member of the bovine tribe, which includes yak, bison, African buffalo, various species of wild cattle, and others. Water buffalo has a wallowing behavior. They like hanging out in water and wallowing the mud. They are typically put to work in the morning and taken to a pond, river, or mud hole in the afternoon heat to wallow in the mud or water, and often relax in the position which they nearly completely submerged with only their nostrils showing. The female wild water buffalo normally produces calves every other year, after gestation of 9 to 11 months. Baby water buffalo stays with its mother and is dependent on her for its first couple of years.